Okay, I'm so sorry my internet went down again. So, hopefully tomorrow everything will be fixed. I'm going to go through these pages and then you can work on your own. So it says there's 4 players on the field. So I'm going to draw 4 circles to be those 4 players. If you want to draw people, that's fine. And I'm going to put a 4 right there. 4 more players come to play. So I'm going to draw 4 more over here. And write a 4 here. Because I have 4 and 4. Remember, our plus sign tells us we're going to put them together. Gus the plus, he likes to put things together and make them bigger. So now I'm going to count them all together to see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then my number sentence down here says 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay? On the next page, they did the top one for us. They said there were 4 peacocks plus 2 more equals, when they counted them all together, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to look at number 2, where I see the seagulls. And we have 1, 2, so that's going to be my first number, plus 1, 2, 3 is my next number. Remember, that's where I'm getting my numbers from. There's 2 here, so I write a 2 here. There's 3 here, so I write 3 here. And that equals, that means all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I have some hummingbirds down here. So I'm going to count how many and write the number right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 hummingbirds right there. And I'm adding, so we have our plus sign. Then I have 1, 2, 3 hummingbirds right here. Equals, so when I count them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my number sentence should say 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, when I look at these flamingos over here, number 4, I have 1, 2, 3 flamingos right there. So I'm going to put a 3 right here in my book. I'm adding, so I have to trace Gus the plus. Don't forget about him. He likes to make things bigger. Alright? Then we have 1 more we're going to add to that. So equals, that means I want to find out how many I have all together, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So my number sentence says 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, right here. Now we have some owls. Okay, I only have 1 owl right here, so I'm just going to put a number 1 right here. Over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6, and I forgot to trace Gus the plus, so I have to go back and trace him. Alright, so equals, they want to know how many in all, so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, my number sentence says 1 plus 6 equals 7. And then this next one, we have 1, 2 right here. These are pelicans. Okay. Plus, I didn't forget him that time. Then I'm going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I had 2. I wrote the number 2. I counted 7. I wrote the number 7. Now equals, I'm going to count them all together to get what goes right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my number sentence should say 2 plus 7 equals 9. All right. And on this last page we're going to do together, it says count the pumpkins and write the number on the line below the pumpkins. So I'm going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I'm going to put the number 4 right there. Trace the plus sign. And then they want me to draw a group that is less than 6. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't go any more because then it would be 6 or more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my other number. If I count them all together, because I want to know what they equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my number sentence should say 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? And you can put something other than 5. You can put 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. Okay? Those numbers are all smaller than 6. You just don't need to go any higher than the number 6. Okay? So now you can get your work done. You can do your assignment on Schoology. And I'm really, really, really hoping that we have a better day with the internet tomorrow. So I will see you all at 8:15 in the morning. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon.